Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Beam for Construction. In this today Navisworks tutorial series, we'll be discussing about how you can change the unit in Navisworks. Okay, so let's say this is our one building and we want to review some dimensions or we want to measure some distance, but the data is coming in the different unit that you don't need. Okay, so how you can change the unit as per your requirement. Let's say this is our ceiling space. Here you can see this is our ceiling space, and let's say we are measuring the width of this duct. Okay, or if you want to measure the distance between two ducts or whatever, I am just giving a simple example because the duct properties itself you can check from the properties here what is the height and what is the width of the duct. But let's say if you are measuring length of this duct, then you have to use this option measure. Okay, and also if you want to measure the distance between two ducts, let's say if you want to measure the distance between this one and this second duct, so you have to use this measure feature. Okay, so now how you want to reflect the units and how you can change that we will be discussing. Let's say we are measuring the length of this duct, so we will be selecting both point. Okay, the end point of this duct, then we are having here uh, reducer. Okay, so right now you can see the data is coming in meter, that is 1.892 meter. This is the length of the duct. Okay, and if you select this duct also, you will be seeing in properties also the same length. You can see here 1.892 meter. Now we want to show this data in mm. Every time I am using this tool, measure or measure shortest distance, whatever, I want the data to reflect in mm because I am working for mm. Okay, if you are working for a project which is using the standard mm, so how you can do that? For that one you have to simply go to manage, after that options. Okay, in option, let me adjust this window bit. Okay, in option you will be seeing here display unit. Okay, so let me close everything, so I'll be showing you from the starting. So you have to go to interface. In interface, under the display unit, you will be seeing the units option. So you can select from here. Let's say if you are working in millimeters, you can choose millimeters. If you are working in feet and inches, you can choose feet and inches. If you are working for imperial, so right now I will be choosing millimeter here. Okay, then angular units also you are having decimal places, how much you need. If you need after decimal 3, if you need after decimal only 2, so this is also you can change from here, and we will be clicking OK. So right now you can see here data is in mm. If I am changing from here feet and inches, data will be in feet and inches. So this is how you can change, okay, units as per your requirement. And so this units will be affecting all the measurement you will be doing after changes. Okay, so now you will be, let's say if you will be checking for the easting and northing, that is coordinates point here, it will be also affecting as per the units that you have selected. Let's say if you want it into feet and inches, so it will be converted into feet and inches. If you want it to be in millimeters, it will be in millimeter. So this is how you can change the units in Navisworks, okay, for your easiness. Thanks for watching the video.